Hello, it's me, Hogan from Bond Breaks, and today we're going to open up 2020 Topps Chrome Baseball. It's also jumbo, so we get a little bit more cards. It's not opening. There. Now it's opening. I'm gonna take out all of them. Alright, first pack. I'm pretty sure we get, wait. 5 autographs. Oh, wait. Gavin Lux rookie?
Nice. Is it the first one?
Yeah. Francisco Lindor. Adbert Alzolay. Pete Alonso. Jake Rogers. Ooh, next one's cool. Yeah, it's a good one. Dylan Cease, rookie freshman flash. He's doing really good this year.
Remember, if anything is numbered, let me know.
Okay. Robbie Ray. You got Cy Young last year. Tommy Edman. Prism. DJ LeMahieu. Dylan Cease, rookie. Kyle Seager. Eisen Diaz. And Harold Ramirez. Right, next pack. Oh, we got an auto in this pack. Corey Seager. Aristides Aquino. Oh, it's also a rookie. Yusei Kikuchi. Adrian Morahone. I don't know how to pronounce it. Brian Anderson. Rookie auto Hunter Harvey. Not numbered. From the Orioles.
Cool autograph, though.
Yeah. This is like a parallel or refractor.
Yeah, let's see.
Austin Meadows.
Looks cool.
Gio Urshela. It's a prism, not numbered. Juan Soto. Raul Garcia, rookie. Pablo Lopez. Ooh, I like the next one. Bo Bichette, rookie.
Nice.
And Jeff Samardzija. All right. Justin Dunn, rookie. Carter Kaibu. Kyle Lewis, rookie. Got rookie of the year. Mitch Haniger. Kevin Biggio, Future Stars. Next one's cool. Luis Castillo, it's like black and white, kind of. It's
Oh, nice.
never seen one of those. Vladimir Guerrero Jr., it's like a refractor or something. Eloy Jimenez. Vladimir Guerrero Jr. Luis Castillo. Christian Yelich. Nelson Cruz. And Anthony Rizzo.
Let's go, bud.
Right. And Eugenio Suarez, they were all stuck together, by the way. That's why I was taking a little while. Albert Pujols. Tyler Glasnow. Chris Bryant. Ooh, I don't know if this is, but it's... Ooh, the next one's cool. Aaron Judge. This one's gonna be good. Brustar Graterol, number to 99, green refractor.
Oh, cool.
He's pretty good.
Is that a rookie one?
Yeah, rookie. Nelson Cruz. Jesus Luzardo, rookie. Michael Baez, rookie. Aaron Nola. Jordan Yamamoto. And Anthony Santander. Oh, and Andres Munoz, rookie. Joey Gallo. Bobby Bradley, rookie. Shin-Soo Choo. Abraham Toro. Oh, he's pretty good. Oh, wait, Rhys Hoskins. The next one's pretty good. Austin Nola, rookie, auto. Not numbered, but he's pretty good. He's on the Padres now. And it's a rookie. Max Muncy. Kyle Schwarber, it's a prism. Jose Urena. Oh. Nico Horner.
Rookie.
No.
No?
Oh yeah,
Yeah.
it's rookie. I didn't see the rookie thing blended in. Jose Ramirez. Alex Young, rookie. And Manny Machado. Tim Anderson. Danny Jansen. Jorge Soler. Ramon Laureano. Ooh, next one's cool. Mike Talkman, Future Stars. Next one's pretty good. Gavin Lux, rookie, freshman, Flash. Cool. This year he's actually doing.
Here's good.
Yeah. I don't know how to pronounce this name. But if you look at it that way, you can see.
Stop moving it. Let me see. All right.
Danny Jansen, Prism. Gio Urshela. Clayton Kershaw. Brandon Crawford. Lourdes Gurriel Jr. Oh. And Hunter Dozier. Alex Bregman. Andrew Benatunde. Ozzy Albies. Matthew Boyd. Jack Flaherty. Oh, I did not see that. Sam Hilliard, rookie auto. I'm pretty sure he's good. He's on the Rockies.
Is it numbered or no?
No. Jose Abreu. Luis Arias. They're all stuck. Eloy Jimenez. Miles Mikolas. Eddie Rosario. Edwin Rios, rookie. And Nomar Mazara. Jose Abreu. Robbie Ray. Max Muncy. Ooh, I like the next one, even though it's a base. Mike Trout. Future Stars, Brian Reynolds. The next one's cool. Johnny Bench die cut.
Ooh, wow.
I've not really seen die cuts out of Topps Chrome either, so. Alex Young, rookie. Chris Bryant. Kevin Biggio. Raisel Iglesias. Sam Hilliard, rookie. Michael Fulmer. And Charlie Blackmon. trying to break it all up.
You're cheating.
I'm not. They're all stuck together. Rafael Devers. Freddie Freeman. Nicky Lopez. Paul Goldschmidt. Lucas Giolito. The next one's cool. Kyle Lewis, freshman flash rookie. Mike Trout. It's a parallel.
Nice.
Or silver. Whatever. Tim Anderson. Max Kepler. Cody Bellinger. Brandon Belt. Ooh. Tony Gonsolin rookie. He's doing good. And Scott Kingery. Got 3 more packs. Archie Bradley. George Springer. JD Martinez. Austin Nola, rookie. Future stars Michael Chavis. The next one's good. Ted Williams. Die cut.
Nice.
Luis Castillo. Rhys Hoskins. Mauricio Dubon. John Means. Seth Brown rookie. Michael Conforto. And Brusdar Graterol rookie. I don't. Noah Syndergaard. Domingo Leyba, rookie. Chris Paddock. Travis Demerdy. Colin Moran. This one I'm pretty sure is good. Mike King, rookie auto from the Yankees. Manny Machado. Juan Soto. Liam Hendricks. Nick Senzel. Keston Hiura. Jose Barrios. And John Lester. Last pack. Sheldon Noose.
He started off pretty good.
Yeah. Trey Mancini. Randy Arozarena from when he was on the Cardinals.
Rookie, right? No?
No. Oh, yeah, it is. It's on the Cardinals. Kevin Newman. Matt Olson. Oh. I saw Angels and I saw an M. Matt Theis. I thought it was Trout. Look at the auto.
Wow.
Christian Yelich. Gavin Lux, rookie.
That's a good one.
Matt Chapman. Joey Votto. Lorenzo Cain. Jaimir Candelario. And Josh Hader.
All right.
That's it. Thank you.